ecstasy! I need my fix!
I'm over here, motherfucker. I'm a drug dealer! What up, my bro? Take this stuff.
Wait a minute. How do I know you're not a cop?
I got a D, motherfuckers.
Hold on, mother.
Yeah?
You's from Florida? Damn straight. They got some good there.
Oh yeah!
Give me some
I like you, son. This shit's for free.
Free?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah!
I gotta go. What do we got here? Let me see.
The truth is, I'm not really a drug dealer. I just like to kill junkies. It gives me a rush. That's really a bomb. Good night, folks. Ta-ta.
Ooh, I like that. What do we have here? What's